Hello guys, good morning. Assalamu alaikum. So guys, this is my ninth day of English speaking challenge. So guys, every day you are looking me that I'm not able to make the videos because because I'm unable to wake up early in the morning, and because of that I'm not able to make the videos. I'm unable to create the videos just because of that. I like sleeping, I know, but I should sacrifice this. If I would not sacrifice this, then I won't be able to learn English. So first of all, I need to sacrifice this habit. If I have to become fluent in English, then I have to sacrifice this first of all. Otherwise, I would never learn to speak English ever. So the very first thing that I have to do is to wake up early in the morning, and I have to do all the tasks thereafter. I have to start I have to start all the works thereafter after waking up. So the very first habit that I have to develop into me is to wake up early in the morning. If i could if i could do this, then I can get anything. I can reach my goals easily. Yes, anyone can get their goals. Anyone can reach their goals by easily, but once he has to decide something, but once he has some plannings, once he must have some plans before starting, before executing. Okay, so so the point is why we are unable to wake up early in the morning. We are not able to wake up early in the morning because of comfort zone. When we sleep on the bed, then we feel very good. Means our bed is our comfort zone. So so suppose that you suppose that you wake up, no, you sleep till very late. You sleep till very late today, okay, and you have to compare this, and tomorrow early you wake up earlier in the morning, okay. So both you have to compare these both days, okay, with each other, and see what are the differences you get after comparing these both days with each other, okay. So you will get a lots of differences, I know. You will get a lots of benefits, I know. I know which day we wake up in the morning, so that day it's quite beneficial. It quite is quite beneficial for me, for us. So so I would also suggest you to wake up early in the morning, because the person who is very successful in this world, who they used to wake up early in the morning, and they are a quite they are a quite riser. They are a quite they are a morning person. They are a morning person. Because of that they got successful, yes. So don't run after the success, run after the excellence. And if you got excellence in your field, then it will be very very fine to you. So so the work what so the work whatever you are doing, so be the master. You have to become the master in your field, okay. And without mastering the skill, you are nothing in front of anyone. So have mastery, okay. So have mastery on your field is very important. So as you can see, it's been 5 minutes of my videos, and I'm still talking to you. It's because of my passion. I like speaking English, and I love speaking. And last day I watched video last day I watched a video of Sonal Malhotra. Sonal Malhotra Kapoor, yes. He was a TV reporter. Means he used to deliberate. Means he used to report. he used to give the updates. She used to give the updates about news, that what is happening around us. So she used to tell us about the news. Yes. And she used to work on, and she used to work with NDTV. In the former days, she used to work with NDTV, and now she's working on she's working on Times of India. Times Times of India, I think. Yes, Times of India, India Times, whatever the channel name is, I don't know, but she's currently working on Times India. Yes, the channel name is Times India. Yes. So over there she's working, and she gives the lots of updates about the news, that what is happening around us, what is. So she was telling that what is happening in Delhi. So the pollution is increasing day by day in Delhi. So she was giving us some updates. She was giving us some updates about about the about the news about Delhi. Yes, about Delhi. See, so why the pollution is increasing? Yeah, it is increasing because of global warming. Yes, the more you will use coals, coals, gases, and petrols, then the global warming will be increased. So first of all, we need to control the. So we first of all we need to control this. We need to control these things, and thereafter we can we can get over this. We can get over this situation. We can get over this situation. Yes. Otherwise, we will be facing for long. Otherwise, we would be facing for long. So the best way to so the best way to get rid of so the best way to get rid of this then so the best way to get rid of this then is to save your environment. Save your environment means clean your environments and save electricity and water. These things are also included. These things are also included here. Yes. So today I'm speaking very nicely. And as you can see, I'm using my hand gestures also. I'm using my hand gestures also. I can speak. I can speak like a I can speak. I can explain something about anything. I can explain something about anything. Yes, I have got. I have got that much. I have got that much confidence because of my practice. Because I practice. I used to practice from the first day of English speaking challenge. So I'm also telling you to take up this challenge. If you want to learn English, then take up this challenge. Means you have to try. Means you have to take your phone. You have to take your phone with you, and you have to come here, and you have to go and you have to go to a and you have to go at an isolated place, and over there you have to make the videos. Okay. Means the you have to make the videos, when the time was around 5 o'clock in the morning. Yes, when the time was 5 o'clock in the morning. So that time you have to shoot your video. You have to shoot the video, and you have to start your first day. You have to start your first day from there. Okay. Then second day, then third day, then fourth day, and similarly 90 days you have to create the videos. And after getting the 90 days, you will see the difference. You will see the big difference in you. You will see the big difference into you. Okay. So 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 are you ready for this challenge? If you are ready, then take up this, and comment me, and below, and comment me, I accept this challenge, and comment me, I am taking this challenge. And let's see. And you have to again come here, on my channel, and you have to comment that after getting 90 days, I really learned something. At least I can speak something. You will definitely comment me, I know. You will definitely comment me, I know. So guys, take up this challenge. And as you can see, it's been 10 minutes and still I'm speaking. I don't get the sentences. I'm not getting the sentences. Because of that I get confused, and I don't get the topics. I'm unable to get the topics that on which topics I have to speak. So I'm not getting that. Guys, my purpose is to become very fluent in English. Means if you give me anything, then I have to speak. I have to continue speaking. I have to continue speaking and speaking and speaking, talking and talking and talking. Okay. So I have to make myself I have to make myself extra I want to make myself extraordinary. Okay. So that anyone can meet me, and he must be influenced by me, Yes. And Khushi also wants to learn English. One day she was telling me that I want to learn English. Could you please help me? Then I told her that of course, why not? I can help you. But the very first thing that you have to do is to start speaking. Where you get the problem, you have to start the problem from there only. Okay. Where you get the problem, you have to start the problem from there only. Okay. Means in which field I'm weak at, in which field I'm weak at, I have to start from there only. Okay. Suppose I want to learn English. Means I want to learn to speak English. So I have to start from speaking. Yes. So guys, this is all about today. So see you in the next video at the same time, at the same place. Goodbye. No, take care. Bye.